is the Batwing Awning. Not built for short people, definitely not. Very easy to put up. But it has some negatives. And they're pretty major.
When you undo it, the poles do drop down and it's easy to grab the lowest one first because that's naturally what you would grab, but uninstinctively you're supposed to grab the top one to bring it around, because if you don't, you will have troubles, which I'll explain later.
First of all, this hinge system here, it's all plastic and it's designed to snap in order to save the hinge from bending. These little hinge pellets right in there, they're not as strong as they look. I've already replaced one set. Secondly, these brackets, they are just as weak. Super easy to break. However, if you know this before you buy it, then you can manage it safely so they don't break. What I mean is rolling it up properly every time you use it, putting them in concession from top to bottom, the top being the one that comes around the furthest and the bottom being the one that's closest to the awning poles. If you do get these mixed up when you pull them out, snap, 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 you're going to snap a lot of it. They will all pull around because what will happen is this will fold in a little bit and then the other poles will fold over and it'll snap again. You can eliminate wind as an issue because they got the double pegs in the bottom of every leg. One peg's enough even if it's not windy. Just put one in. I suggest at least the two down here off the front, 1, 2, because that's where the most of the flap's going to come at the very least. I mean, it does not hurt to put one in each. 2 in each is better. It does have guy ropes, however I can't really see a need for those until you get the sides. It's just more setting up. It's not really that necessary unless it's raining maybe. Other than that, it's bloody fantastic. The material that they use, it's typical Rhino, what you would expect. How can I say any better? Look, now that I know how to use it, I'm going to be happy with it. I do need to reposition it so it does come to here. It is sitting a little bit back. I can move it about 4 inches forward and then it will cover just the corner of that so my fridge doesn't get when it comes out. But other than that, what a top little setup that thing is. What they don't show you on most of these YouTube videos is how difficult it is putting it away because you've got all these extra flaps. So let's try and get this right the first time. All right. I just ain't 6 or 7 foot tall, so this is where it gets difficult. Maybe you don't need to be an acrobat, but I certainly do. Brekkie in the morning and cook up some coffee and all that kind of stuff, which is exactly why I wanted the Batwing awning, so that was all undercover for once. I always had the side, oh those struts are so strong. I've always had the side awning on the other side, but obviously it only covers or here, so I've chucked that on this side in case I just need some extra room to set up the swag or something like that. But yeah, that's that side. In here,